Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here, contemplating life right now. This is the S55 AMG. Remember the last video? We just took her for a little spin around the block. Yep, we did that. Then we parked her. Then all hell broke loose.
Yep, that sounds good.
It's the next day. Oh, Monkey Wrench Mike.
Mike,
Yay!
I'm in the car.
If you're not familiar with the S55 AMG, here she is in all of her glory. I think she's brought a lot of people to the channel here, okay? Outside had some issues, okay? Horrible tires, horrible lug nuts. We do have some rust issues. Yep, we gotta fix that. We gotta fix that. But the inside, I can't tell you how nice it is to be on the inside. Okay, look at how beautiful. Look at how nice that is. Yep, that's a code reader. I had that out because I got lots and lots of codes. You can't imagine the number of codes that I got after this quick little test drive just around the block, okay? Looking to see if I stepped in some of Lola's stuff. Okay, we need a door check. Hear that? We do need a door check. Or maybe this just needs to be tightened up a little bit. Back seat looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. We're still working on the airbag right there, okay? We're still working on that. But the inside, even the shade works. It's a nice place to be. It's a gorgeous place to be. That's the door check you hear popping right there. Okay, I've always wanted an S55 AMG. This is not the supercharged version. This is too old for that. See, need another door check. Yep, okay. But the inside is just fantastic. So I was real excited when I got to take it for a spin. I'd had it for a while. We put on basically a front clip, okay? Hood, fender, all that kind of stuff. We actually painted the little topper, shock toppers there and everything. So we took her for a spin. And Mike was happy because she went and she changed gears. Then we parked her and she started making a sound. She made a really bizarre sound. Listen to the sound, all right? Listen to this. All right, no microphone. We are microphone free, but I want to show you what's coming out. Yeah, this is oil and water and engine cleaner. You ready? You ready for the milkshake? Here we go. Ugh. Yeah, that's even grosser than gross. That's as bad as it was the first time. Oil is drained and ready to be replaced. Now let's see how bad the oil filter looks, okay? Is this gonna be horrible? Well, okay. Kind of milky. Ugh. Can you see? Can you see? Look at that. Yeah, that's like water. It's not really even oil anymore. Maybe that's why the engine was sounding so bad. So let's get this changed. We'll get this changed, put a new filter in, top it up with oil and give her a start. Lola's back. Yeah, she's back. Looking pretty, wearing the same scarf. You want to say anything to all your fans? Lola, you want to sit? Good girl. You want a fist bump? Fist bump. Yes, ma'am. Good girl. All right, let's see if the car's working now, okay? Had several people asking me about Lola. They were worried, but she's doing good. Let's see if the oil is going to make a difference in the way the engine sounds and runs, okay? Let's do it. I don't like the way this is sounding. I really don't like the way this is sounding. Can you hear? It's coming from right here. It really is. So I think the valve cover has to come off. Okay, we do know we need spark plugs. That's a given. This is something that I don't know what it attaches to. We don't know. Okay? It was just kind of laying right there. Apparently they used the same wiring harness for the 12-cylinder as the 8-cylinder. But I do not like the way that is sounding. Ugh. Let's take the microphone and I'll put it right by the sound. Listen. Let's try this. Let's try it. Okay, we're gonna get the microphone. We're gonna get the screwdriver. It's a giant screwdriver, and we're gonna see if it picks up the sound. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's just kind of see. Okay. So if he sits right there, we'll get the camera to sit right here. Point it down. Okay. And now listen. I don't even know if that's going to work. Here's this side right here. And then here's this side down here. Yeah, this is it right here. Cylinder 1, 2. So yeah, I don't want to run the engine too long with it sounding like that. So we'll turn off the engine, turn off the engine, and we're taking off the valve cover. Yay! All right, let's see what's inside the valve cover. Okay, I've removed all the little bolts right there, coils, everything. Hopefully, I kind of blown this out with air. We're gonna find out why she's a knockin'. Why is she a knockin'? Let's find out, hopefully. Let's give her a little love tap. Yep. There we go. There it is. Time for the big reveal. If you would sit up there, please. Sit right there, please. All right, here we go. And a 3, a 2, a 1, and this is what she looks like when I get all the things out of the way. Ugh. Okay. Well, what do you think? Is she lovely? Is it hopeless? There is... Well, okay. That's what it looks like on the inside. There we go. What could be knocking? What could be a knocking? I don't like this. This is really, really, really dirty. And I don't see where anything is tapping just yet. Okay. But I don't see a whole lot of oil up here, which has me a bit worried. I just see lots of rust. Ooh. You want to get a closer look? Okay. How does this feel? Okay. Let's go in for a closer look. So this is what she looks like. Yowza. Okay. Well, I don't see a whole lot of oil up here. Oh. Hello. That could be the issue. All right, so what lies beneath? Ooh. Yeah, I put this back on. I'm just covering it up right now. But that's going to end the video. Yeah, this is a cliffhanger the size of which you've never seen before. Remember the big cliffhanger with Dallas, Who Shot JR in the shower? Yeah, this is equally as important. It is. Yeah, so what do you think the problem is? The tick, 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 ticking. Do you see the rust, 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 rust? Yeah, lots of rust under that valve cover. Lots of things going on. I'm actually a video ahead of you, so I know what's going on, but I want to know if you know what's going on. And then in the next video, you'll find out if you're right. Don't get mad at me. Yeah, don't get mad at me. I'm just trying to squeeze another video out of this thing. That's all I'm trying to do. Okay, so the S55 rebuild continues. Please like, please subscribe. Most importantly, let me know what you think it is right there in those comments below. What the heck has gone wrong with the AMG engine? Yeah. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. Let's have a monkey. Let's have two monkeys. Please like, please subscribe. Most of all, have a great day. Bye, everybody.